friend, this is for you. This is your most happy day. This is your birthday, so happy birthday, friend. Then stay good as you are. Then best wishes for your health and your family. I love you, friend, as a friend. And thank you. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Zen, happy blank birthday. Wala dito ko kami kung kapilan ng mga birthday ron. I wish na you will have more blissful years to come, and then kanang di-admire gid pud nako ang kanang itong the way ka mo empathize sa others, and then maging ako di-admire mo, and I hope you continue doing that. And then maula gid putanan ako ma-message nimo, then happy birthday.
Hello ma'am, happy birthday. Wala ko laing message sa mga kundi stay young and beautiful. Then padayon sa imong pagka-active. Then thank you so much ma'am sa imong pagtabang sa mga in times of need na yung mga panahon nga maglisod di usahay sa mga mga subjects, pero you are always there to help us, to help me. And happy ko ma'am na nahimo ka na kong kauban sa mga buluhaton sa eskwelahan, especially sa tuang school paper. So thank you so much ma'am sa imong pagka-approachable. So padayon lang ma'am sa imong pagka-approachable sa amua, dili lang sa akwa kundi sa tanan natong mga kauban sa eskwelahan. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ma'am Jen. Tomorrow is your birthday, is it? I hope that you enjoy your special day and enjoy the rest of your life, and more love, and more sweet life. Sana wala na kayong away ng iyong love address. That's all, and happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am Zen! How are you, Ma'am Zen? Happy birthday! I know, Ma'am Zen, na happy jud ka sa imong family and happy po ka sa imong work. Congratulations sa best talent na nakaka. Wala gid na mo, and thank you for all the help na mo receive from you. On your birthday, I want to wish you a happy birthday. May all the beauties and goods in life be in you, and all the triumphs in life. Wish you more good health and more life. Salamat po, Zen. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
And happy birthday! Wish you all the happiness in life, Joe. Stay sexy always, Ma'am Zen. May God bless you more than you have. Happy birthday!
Hello, Zen. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang grasya sa Bisaya. Grasya na matanggap mo. And keep up the good work. I know na you did well. You did all the best as you can. And then, sana naman, alalahanin mo yung sarili mo. Minsan, sobrang trabaho mo. Babalik din sa katawan din natin yan. And laging maganda. Kasi pag stress tayo, nababawasan yung natin. Alam mo na yun. Alam mo na maganda ka. Hindi yan sana. Then, sana yung lahat ng mga trials, I know na hindi lang ang mga ginagawa mo ang magpapasaya sa iyo, lalo-lalo na maganda yung kalalabasan. Also, sa pamilya din natin, isipin natin pamilya natin always. Then, pray to God, ask the guidance and help. Stay strong and good luck. And sana makamit mo yung inanais mo pa sa buhay.
Hello Zen, happy birthday. Alam mo Zen, Baganyan National High School family is very blessed because of your presence. Ano man? It's because you are full of talents. Halos lahat ng nasa kanila na sa iyo. At I wish na makakaroon din ako ng talent na tulad mo. Alam mo, you're really a gift to us.
in terms of dancing, singing, ang talent mo, even in surfing the computer, in the academic, nandiyan na lahat. So wish ko sa birthday mo ngayon, sana di ka magsawang mag-share ng talents mo sa iba. Yung talent mo, sana gusto ko rin magkakaroon ng ganyan. Okay? And I wish that you'll be happy with your family, in your undertakings as a teacher. Sana magiging inspiration ka ng mga estudyante mo. That your skills and your talents and your potentials may also be shared to your students. Hindi lang para sa teachers mo, kundi para na rin sa lahat ng nasa palibot. So, happy birthday!
Marty Mamzen, I know that you are, ilan taon ka na ba ngayong friendship? Alam mo ba kung bakit? Nakita nung unang panahon, mag-aalam ko sa'yo. Pasalamat ako dahil even, ay lubos magkakilala, but since today is your birthday, I hope that everything will be fine, all your wishes do come true, and stay who you are, because the way you are is the person that I like the most. Happy birthday, and more power, and more cake to slice, more colorful blues, and I hope that happy ka sa family with your loved ones, and happy birthday! I love you!
Hi, Ma'am Zen. Good morning, and once again, happy birthday. Since it's your birthday today, oh my God, I can't believe of this. Thank God, because today is the day that the Lord has made. So we will rejoice, Ma'am Zen, and be glad in it. So this is the day, and the special day of your life. Friendship, thank you so much for being my ever dearest friend that I couldn't barely able to compare to someone else. And you know, sa kanta pa, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Matalino, masayahin, tamsi, tambok nga sexy. At sa pa, ang pinaka-espesyal, you are so beautiful, maganda ka. Pero ako ang mas pinakamaganda. Thank you so much na sa lahat na naitulong mo sa akin at naiambag in terms of teaching careers. Sa kasabihan pa, saludo ko sa imo friendship. Since it is your birthday, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best of your life. Happiness, blessings, and don't forget may pasalubong in December. Thank you. Happy birthday.